We're here today at the Auto MOT Centre in Manor Park, London, setting up our new Carbon Clean Centre. We're setting up the CC14 and training the staff on how best to use it.
Yeah, because when I was doing the MOTs and servicing, we came across a lot of issues with relating to emission, and we thought the carbon cleaning could help doing a lot of MOT failure issues. I mean, this one I researched a bit and I just thought that's like going to do what we need to do. It will do our job, do EGR valve clean and all that, because we don't do any heavy jobs. So for normal vehicles, that should be alright for us.
Yeah, the carbon clean training was excellent. The person who gave us all the information was excellent. We step by step understood everything and what to do, the procedures. So yeah, it was excellent.
New in the system, it's very needed on most of the new generation vehicles as well. They do have a lot of carbon build-ups on the new generation diesels especially. So I reckon it would be a good product to try, test.